I'm going to describe how to fashion and apply a metatarsal arch pad. So a metatarsal arch pad is a way of supporting the metatarsal arch without using a different taping technique, but instead using a felt pad that is shaped in not quite a teardrop shape, that's too narrow, but it's going to be more like an egg shape. So this metatarsal arch pad, you want it to go in between a couple landmarks. First of all, you don't want it to go, you want it to be in this distal metatarsal arch here. You don't want it to go across the big toe or the little toe. So it's going to be the width between the second and fourth metatarsals, and the pointed part of the egg is going to go towards the heel. That's going to be different than when we talk about Morton's Neuroma pads. So here I found a scrap piece of pad. I looked at it and it looks like it's pretty close to the right width. It's not quite the right shape, so we're going to cut that. Here is the pad cut and in the right shape, so it's between the second and the fifth metatarsal and the fourth metatarsal, sorry, covering the arch. It goes into the medial longitudinal arch just barely, so it's not going deep in there. How we would secure that is we would take off the backing, stick it to the foot, and then apply tape wrap or some other elastic adhesive tape. And also, again, on the edges, I have not done it yet. These edges are flat. What we want to do is bevel the edges. So beveling the edges is going to look something like this. So we're going to cut sideways on the edge so it is not sticking straight up. So if you look at that on this side, you can see that the edge is no longer straight up. You can see it is straight up on that side. We would do this kind of a cut, edging it out all the way around. The narrow point needs to go towards the heel. So between the second and the fourth, narrow point towards the heel, and in fact, this one actually goes a little bit, maybe even just a half a centimeter too far over that MTPJ. So I would actually probably trim that a little bit.